I came back from running errands today, and here on the East Coast, they have salted the roads and put down a layer of brine. Most people in the United States have driven on this type of road before and know the challenges of keeping your car clean. So I ran my truck through a car wash, but this car wash does not wash the undercarriage of the truck. So when I got home, I mixed a solution to spray underneath and keep this from happening. You have salty brine all over your car, which is a huge mess. Well, this right here is what I use to get it off of the undercarriage. I use this spray bottle and then fill it with the SaltAway solution and spray it on the undercarriage of the vehicle. Here's the SaltAway solution. I put about 2 ounces per gallon, and that's 1 ounce for a half a gallon, which is what that container has. This is the same type of solution that one would use on a boat used in salty water. Now this is a 2025 Silverado, and I would have a hard time knowing that my truck starts developing rust after just a few months of owning it. So I'm going to take the time after driving on those briny roads to get underneath the truck and clean off any salt which may be left behind from the drive. The thing about this solution is that you don't have to scrub it. You just spray it on and it quite literally removes the salt or the brine solution from your vehicle. Here's a photo of the Honda after spraying the solution on. No scrubbing involved whatsoever. This only takes a few minutes of your time, and it sure prevents lots of pain later on in the life of your car. Please stay tuned to Thrust and Thunder for more tips just like this.